Hey everybody, it's me, Megs, and I am back. We're back with another first impressions of the Fenty powders, y'all. So yesterday I went and picked up the Fenty powders because, you know, I needed those. So, you know, went bright and early and picked these bad boys up. Okay. And I'm going to be giving a further detailed review of how I'm liking the concealers because I've worn the concealers about 4 times since I've had them. But I wanted to get on here and give my first impressions on the powders because I didn't have the powders the last time. So this is what this video is going to be. So we're just going to hop right into it. I'm going to do my whole foundation routine from start to finish just in case you want to see that as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. And you guys, I'm using daytime lights, so bear with me if the light kind of fluctuates. It's a cloudy day here in California, so, you know, things of that nature. So I'm gonna moisturize my lips. Always have to double prime, so I'm using Urban Decay Rebound Collagen Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray. This is not cold this time. I had this in the house, so it's not that cold this time. Because I have oily skin, so I have to double prime. I get a little oily in places. Let it dry. So y'all, I really enjoy the concealers. I've actually been wearing the concealers the same exact way how I tried them out here on camera, and they last a really long time. I noticed the longest that I was able to wear my makeup without having to touch up was 5 hours. So I was like, that is really cute for me, and I enjoy these concealers. I love the finish. I've worn them during the nighttime and I didn't have any backflash. They didn't crease up on me after I set with the powders that I did have last time, but I want to see how this concealer works and my whole overall foundation works with the concealers. So I'm going in with my second primer, and it is the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Mattifier. I kind of go a bit heavy with primers because I want my makeup to last, and I know how my skin does. It gets a little dewy in a greasy kind of way. So just really put this in the areas that I know where I get a little greasy, girl. Okay, so that is on. Now I'm gonna, of course, go in with the Fenty Pro Filtr Foundation in 420. Shake it up. And this foundation brush that I'm using, y'all, is by Tarte. So my foundation is on. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do like we did last time. Go in with 420 and conceal. Now this concealer is of a creamy consistency, and I do notice that it dries pretty fast. So I do notice that I have to kind of work kind of quickly to get everything kind of blended in. And this beauty blender that I'm using is damp. Alright, so that is on, and we already know that that's cute. Now I'm going to go into highlight with 380. All right, so I love this concealer, y'all. This is like my new favorite. So I could totally leave it like this, and I've left it like this a couple of times. Well, actually twice. I left it like this, but of course I want to pick it up a notch, take it up a notch, and I'm gonna use 330. Mind you, y'all don't have to do this. This is just me being extra and doing the absolute most, but you can tell that you don't have to do this, but of course yeah, I am. Okay, just put it right here. That is on. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and of course contour now. And I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. Now yesterday I was gonna get a contour color in the concealers, but I was just kind of like, I don't feel like I need to because I still have so much of this left. So maybe once this run out, maybe I'll get the a darker color in the concealers to contour with. The color that I was looking at to purchase was between $480 and $490 to contour with. I was kind of undecided which color to get, but I already have this, so I'm just gonna keep this and use it. And mind you, my beauty blender is damp because these products dry matte so quickly. I feel like that's the only way I could use this and make it look cute. So you have to like really make sure she's blended. All right, y'all, so everything is on. Now I'm ready for the powder, and I am so excited because this is my first time trying it out. And for one, the packaging of these products are super duper cute. They're just overall pretty, and of course they all have that same kind of like, what shape is this, an octagon? Yes. Is it an octagon, girl? Let me know. What shape is this? But I really love the packaging. I love a good chrome packaging, so this is super cute. So to bake with, I'm gonna use banana. Now I was torn between getting banana and honey, but I thought honey looked a little too dark and too yellow for me to use to bake. So let's see if I like this and see if, you know, if I should have bought honey after all. So this is banana. So we already opened her up. I don't know if you'll be able to see the color of this powder because of my lighting. I'm using natural light. So with the natural light, stuff tends to get a little washed out. But this has kind of like a golden yellow tone to it. So let's go ahead and bake. All right, so I don't know if you can see. Oh, girl. This does have a yellow look to it. I think I put too much actually. I will say that this powder is really fine. It's so fine. All right, y'all, so she's on, and I'm gonna go ahead and bake with this and see what this is looking like, okay, once I wipe it off. So I always do my brows while I'm baking, so I'll be right back. But I do have a brow tutorial up on my channel if you want to see that. It's also linked down in the description, and it will be a pop-up over here. Okay, so I'll be back with my brows. Okay, all right, so my eyebrows are on. Okay, if they look like they have kind of like a burgundy reddish tint, it's because they do, because my wig I'm wearing is red. Okay, so I sat and baked while I did my eyebrows. So let's start to wipe this away. This brush is dirty, but there's no product on here, okay? You just let it be. Okay, so let's wipe this away and see what it's doing. Normally I'll use a powder to wipe away everything, but I want to see what this looks like on its own. Okay, yeah, this is cute. Okay. Did it set everything underneath there? Yes, and I feel like it's really seamless. Okay, let me put a little powder on the rest of my face. Yeah, I'm really liking how it's looking so far without even putting nutmeg on. Okay, so this is nutmeg, this is the color. So I'm just gonna do a light dusting on all of my face just to like bring everything together. Even though this foundation is already such a matte finish, I just wanted to purchase nutmeg just to give it an overall finished look. So this large brush that I'm using is by Morphe, and it is their is this the RO brush? This brush is a little old, so sorry. So I'm just gonna put the excess there. This powder has a smell to it. It kind of smells like baby powder. Okay, the color, let's see. So I put it here. I didn't put it on this side. So I always like to pat mine in first. Put it over here, see. So I am gonna put it over the highlighted areas where I baked, just to kind of bring everything together. So yes, I do like the powder. I feel like it gives me a really nice, pretty, like veil, a filterization, and I didn't have to use a lot. And I did notice that it kind of got rid of my shinier areas, and I only put a small amount. Yeah, this is cute. I like this. I like it. Yeah, this is it. This is cute. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. All right, Fenty, I just need for you to come out with some sort of contouring powder or bronzer or something to contour, to kind of like pop my contour a little bit. I'm using Black Radiance Rich Mahogany powder. But I love the way how warm my face looks, y'all. Like, this is so crazy. I need Fenty to come out with some bronzing stuff, some contour. I actually love bronzer on my chocolate skin, but I want Fenty to come out with some contour. Watch, I bet the contour come out next. How much y'all want to bet? Leave in the comment section below if you think contour powders and stuff is next. All right, y'all, so I'm back. This is how my face is looking. I feel cute. I absolutely love this powder. I love how it makes my skin look nice and veiled and just an overall filter. This is a thumbs up for me, so I'm going to continue to use the powders. They're absolutely the bomb, and the concealers are bomb too. I didn't experience any creasing. They were long wearing, like they said, and I know I got a lot of questions about if this foundation and concealer were sweat proof. I do know that the Fenty foundation is sweat proof because I did work out in the foundation during the event and my face was intact. So I haven't had a chance to try out if it's sweat proof with the concealer and the powder yet, so I will keep you guys updated. But girl, I feel cute. I feel cute. Can't wait for my curls to fall a little bit, you know. So but yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll answer that for you. But definitely the Fenty powder, yes, 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 and yes, yes. Okay, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.